Hey guys, how's it going? Here we have a 2021 Attitude 3422RR. It's about 38 feet 11 inches in length. Six-point hydraulic auto level system. We have our single lithium-ion battery standard from Attitude with optional additional batteries. We have our 5500 kilowatt generator up front. Let's look at some numbers. Dry weight, we're about 13,000 pounds, and our gross weight here, we are at 18,000 pounds, with about 5,000 pounds of cargo. Here we have your traditional auto level compartment with your inverter switch, battery disconnect. Moving over, we have two slides on the driver's side, one for the bedroom, one for the kitchen. Here is our massive front storage compartment, pass through. You have your 2000 watt inverter, light switch over here, some cables. You have your outside, technically inside shower compartment, black tank, gray tank flush or valves. You have your black tank flush connection and your full hookup city water connection, as well as your TV connection for full hookups. You have your hot water heater compartment. Your freshwater fill is here. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but the frameless windows do make it look really nice. So you have your Norcool dual fridge, dual freezer compartment on the inside. These are your outside sections to your fridge. We have Gladiator tires on a 16-inch rim. I believe these are 14 ply. Your standard suspension system, which I seem to think works fairly well. You have your sewer compartment hose, your fuel tank, which is a 40-gallon fuel tank. Here's your fill for that. New to 2021 on these Attitudes is this fuel delivery system. So you have your fuel pump switch, and your hose connection is going to be in here, and your 50 amp service hookup is going to be here. You have a fold away extendable ladder. We'll get you on the roof. And on the roof of this guy there is one solar panel standard, and you can option in multiple extra. So we have optioned in one extra solar panel and one AC. So we have the dual AC system. Here is the MORryde patio gates along with the rear awning. And we also packaged in the rear camera. I don't know if you can see that way up there. Rear view camera. So that comes with its own separate screen that you can mount in the truck. Really nice system. Here we have your kinetic teal coloring for your graphics. I'm not sure how long the awning is, but it's almost, I'd say, a little over half the length of the coach. So here we have our third awning. Coming in here, you have your standard propane tanks. Here's our other pass-through storage compartment. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. have your central vac system here, connected into here. This is your outlet for it. This is a cable connection for this side of the coach, along with an HDMI cable in case you want to mount a TV for the outside. Plenty of lighting along the front, back, and side. There's some outside plugs. Here is your dry weight on this trailer, specifically equipped with the options we have added. There's your 3422RR. Again, this is a brand new model. We have the kicker sound system upgraded, along with the MORRIDE steps. I believe they're called step above steps. Also have the swing away door, or the wind door is what the nickname for it, I believe. So coming in, so this model year, or this year, has upsized their oven, so it's a little bit bigger than your standard RV oven, as well as the microwave is a full-size residential microwave. You have your Attitude logo up here, which adds some nice lighting. There is your subwoofer for your kicker sound system. Glass pane cabinetry. Plenty of storage in here. This goes back decently far. This side goes back the other way. Two nice little cubbyhole pockets for keys or cell phones. You have your dual countertop covers here, revealing a solid stainless steel sink. Very nice deep sink. Very nice residential style faucet. And you have your traditional dual fridge, dual freezer, Norcool. Here we have all of your switches, stereo, one of your fantastic fan controls. You have a ceiling fan up top. Lots of switches, lots of lights on this guy. Moving back, you have a 50-inch TV, which is on a swivel, so it will come out, rotate left and right, up and down. Two captain's chairs. A 3 or 4 person couch with table. You have a rear dinette, as well as the bunk system up top. So there's really a lot of seating and sleeping in here. So you have more glass pane cabinetry, along with a rear 32-inch TV. Again, lots of lighting in here. Very nice accent lighting that goes across underneath all of these cabinets. Kicker sound system again. There's a very wide panel view from the patio. Here's your rear Girard awning with LED strip. You have a rear toolbox compartment, which is really nice because it's about 1 foot deep and it goes all the way across both sides to the width of the trailer. It's really nice. So the width of this trailer inside is 86 inches. I fit two two-seater side-by-sides in here. I've already done so. Lots of space. We have a new air conditioning system. It's not Dometic. I'm not entirely sure what the name brand is, but it is a little more aesthetically pleasing than the Dometic standard one. There is 3 fantastic fans in this coach, along with a ceiling fan in the living room. Moving up the stairs, you have your central vac system connection there. We have auto gen here with your inverter indicators. Also some more LED lighting. Very nice accent lights on the counters. You have your fuse panel here. On this wall, auto level system, your new Furrion. So I guess that's the name of the new air conditioner, is a Furrion. So here is your new thermostat setup, solar charge controller, slide control for the bedrooms 1 and 2. Here is a look into the bedroom. Nice doors, towel rod hooks, your second fantastic fan, more lighting, very nice deep sink in the bathroom, as well as a cabinetry for a medicine closet. Nice amount of storage. You have your porcelain toilet, which is very nice, better than the plastic ones. Lots of underspace storage here. Can fit a couple small bins in here. In-floor heaters, which is nice. This is heat rises, so that'll be a little bit better for the cold winter for those of you that camp cold. Very nice, new to this specific model, the 3422RR is the first one in a while to have a rectangle shaped one-piece, or a two-piece I guess, I'm sorry, with a glass slider. Traditionally the Eclipse trailers, all of them, have the curved corner shower, which fortunately for us, we're small people, but for the bigger people out there, it's a little bit tight of a squeeze. So this is really nice that they started putting these in the new fifth wheels. Your standard shower head, we're going to be changing this out for the Oxygenics shower head to get more water pressure. You have a roller door here with a locking latch. So moving into the bedroom, let's go from this angle here. So coming in, you have on the right, very nice cabinet with a coat hook. Very deep cabinet space. You have more accent lighting here. Pull down shades in the whole coach. Very nice. They block out a decent amount of sunlight. You have your 4-drawer system here with your electric fireplace. Here's your other roller door, slider door, and your third fantastic fan. Here's the second AC that I had mentioned. Some more kicker stereo speakers in here. Moving over here, there's an unlimited amount of storage. This fits 2.5 motorcycle helmets. So by half, I'm speaking of a child's size motorcycle helmet. This compartment here is enormous. This angle here is for shoes. Along with this bottom storage compartment here is designed for shoes and whatnot. You have an outlet for the inverter, and you also have 12 volt DC, USB, and 12 volt outlet there. 3 drawers here. You have 2 more cabinets here with coat hooks in both. Very deep storage. Lots of storage. Both sides of the bed have windows and lights. This is a king-sized bed. And here is underneath the bed system. Decent amount of storage space. There's enough to fit the tables and maybe a couple small bins in here. Here's one more look coming out into the living space cargo containing area. Lots and lots of room in this coach. Also, I forgot to mention that the cargo capacity in this coach is 21 feet 11 inches. Very nice trailer we have here. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.